In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in Smartsheet. Let's get started right from your Smartsheet home screen. First, look toward the lower left corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might appear as your initials, a small picture, or a generic user icon depending on how your account is set up. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens up a small menu that gives you access to various account-related options. From that menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled User Management. This is where you control who has access to your Smartsheet account and what they can do. Click on User Management to open the User Management panel. It may take a second to load, especially if you have a lot of users already in your account, so just give it a moment if needed. Once the User Management page is open, you'll see a list of existing users, along with their roles and status. To add someone new, look for the button that says Add User. This is usually located near the top of the page. Click on Add User to bring up the form where you can enter the new person's details. Now you'll see a window or panel asking for the new user's information. Here, you'll typically enter the person's email address, their first and last name, and any other required fields. Take a moment to double check the email address, because this is where their invitation will be sent. In many setups, you can also choose their user type or permissions at this stage, such as whether they should be a licensed user, an admin, or have more limited access. Think about what they need to do in Smartsheet and select the most appropriate level so they have enough access to work, but not more than necessary. After you've filled in all the required details and reviewed them for accuracy, look for the Save button. Click on Save to confirm and add this user to your Smartsheet account. This action typically sends an invitation email to the person you've just added, prompting them to join and set up their access. Finally, follow any on-screen prompts that appear. Smartsheet may guide you through additional options, such as assigning the user to groups, sharing specific sheets with them, or confirming notification settings. Just continue through these prompts, choosing what makes sense for your team and your workflow. Once you're done, your new user will be successfully added and ready to start working in Smartsheet.